Introducing the 2009 Lexus RX 350. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Call today to schedule a test drive.